Oh hey, it's Matt Wong here, looking beardy as ever. I'm gonna make macaroni and cheese today, so enjoy that. That'll be pretty good. I'll get right to it. For this is the cheeses that we're gonna be using. I've got an extra old. It's a 2-year at least, and then this is just a extra old. Yeah, so we're gonna get chopping. Oh, I guess also what I should mention is that we've got a pot of water on the boiling water going on. Yeah.